A clash between a labor union and a mall owner required the Supreme Court to resolve a clash between two principles of statutory interpretation. In Edward J. DeBartolo Corporation versus Florida Gulf Coast Building and Construction Trades Council, the case could have been called Chevron deference versus constitutional avoidance. The Edward J. DeBartolo Corporation, or DeBartolo, owned and operated a shopping mall in Tampa, Florida. H.J. Wilson contracted with H.J. High Construction Company, or High, to build a department store in the mall. The Florida Gulf Coast Building and Construction Trades Council, which we'll call the union, was engaged in a dispute with High over wages and benefits. The union leafletted the mall, asking mall customers to boycott the other stores in the mall until DeBartolo guaranteed that all mall construction would use contractors who paid fair wages. DeBartolo tried to convince the union to limit its leafletting to the Wilson construction site and to change the language in its leaflets to clarify that its dispute didn't directly involve DeBartolo or any mall businesses other than Wilson. When the union refused, DeBartolo filed a complaint with the National Labor Relations Board, alleging unfair labor practices under the National Labor Relations Act. The board held that urging a consumer boycott of third parties constituted economic retaliation, a form of coercion prohibited by the Act. The board noted potential First Amendment issues with this interpretation of the law. However, the board contended that its interpretation was constrained by both the language of the law and precedent. Additionally, as an administrative agency, it had to presume that acts it administered were constitutional. The board ordered the union to stop the leafletting. The 11th Circuit refused to enforce the board's order, finding serious doubts about the constitutionality of a law prohibiting peaceful leafletting. To avoid reaching the constitutional issue, it interpreted the law as not covering the union's activities. The Supreme Court granted cert.